Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix could not connect to Wi-Fi network. So guys, when you open your Wi-Fi and want to connect with your device and face this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your settings. So after this, scroll down. So here is the option of system. So you need to click here. And after this, here is the option of reset options. After this, click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So after this, you need to click on reset settings. So here you need to put the pin of your phone. So after doing this, your network setting will be reset and your problem will be solved. So go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So still having this problem, then click on system update and make sure that your mobile has up to date to latest version. And after doing this, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if still having this problem, then open your network and internet, click on Wi-Fi, off your Wi-Fi and on it again, and wait for searching. So first of all, remove the notification. So here you can see now my Wi-Fi is connecting with my device. So if not connected, here you can see I am facing this issue. So you need to click on Wi-Fi, and after this click on advanced option, and here is the option of detected automatically. So make sure that it is selected, and after this IP is DHCP. So do all of these settings, and after this you need to here write your password. So my password is, so now I am connecting it. So here you can see my Wi-Fi is connected with my phone. So by doing this method, you will be able to open your Wi-Fi. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.